1. Invest in appreciating assets. The best way to wind up broke is by trying to live the lifestyles of celebrities. Too many wealthy athletes, entertainers, and movie stars have blown through fortunes by spending millions on Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Lamborghinis, mansions, and lavish vacations. Cars, clothes, electronics, shoes, and belts are depreciating assets. Status symbols make you look wealthy but will leave you in the poorhouse. Your money needs to be invested in assets that are increasing your net worth and not decreasing it. Real estate, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are income appreciating assets. Whenever you buy expensive items that decrease in value, you are making someone else rich. Whenever you purchase assets that increase in value, you are making yourself rich. The choice is yours. Would you rather look like you are rich or actually be rich? Check out multiplyMyMoney.com.
How to become a millionaire. Make your money work for you by focusing on getting the maximum rate of return on all of your dollars. Every dollar that you have needs to be working for you, earning interest while you work and sleep. This includes your savings and checking accounts. Too many people are comfortable storing their hard-earned cash in commercial bank accounts, earning little to nothing on their money. Those savings accounts are robbing you of potential interest income. The millionaire mindset seeks to earn the highest rates of returns on every dollar. All of your savings under $1,000 should be in a high-interest savings account, which pays even greater interest. You can find high-interest accounts at online banks. High-interest money market accounts can be found at banks like CIT Bank, Capital One Bank, American Express Savings Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Synchrony Bank, and Ally Bank. All of these banks are FDIC insured, meaning there is no risk of losing your money. You could currently be earning over 2% on your savings account right now. That is much better than the paltry interest rates that commercial banks are paying out. You can earn 100 to 200 times interest income with an online savings account. This will help to get you one step closer to millionaire status. Find out more at multiplyMyMoney.com.
How to become a millionaire in 10 steps. Number 3. Max out your retirement plan. If your company offers a 401k plan with matching contributions, then you need to be taking full advantage of it. Matching contributions typically account for somewhere between 3 and 6% of an employee's annual salary. The matching contribution is free money that your company is offering to you. Millionaires take advantage of opportunities to earn free money, and so should you. In order to take advantage of the maximum benefit of matching plan, you need to max out your 401k plan. The maximum contribution for an employee for 2022 is $20,500. Employees over 50 can contribute an additional $6,500 per year in contributions. If you do not have access to a 401k, then you need to open a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA allows you to contribute $6,000 per year towards retirement. The catch-up provision allows adults 50 and older to contribute an additional $1,000 to their retirement plans. A Roth IRA is a good deal for those seeking to build wealth because your money grows income tax-free. You give up getting a tax deduction today for your contributions, and in return, you never have to pay a dime in taxes on your earnings at 59.5. If you can take $50,000 and turn it into $500,000, you get to keep the whole $500,000 without worrying about paying Uncle Sam. Having the millionaire mindset means taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts to build wealth.
How to become a millionaire. Inject some risk into your investment portfolio. You cannot save your way to wealth. You must be willing to take some risks. Once you have built an investment portfolio with solid blue chip stocks like Costco, Home Depot, and Apple, you need to pick up some small cap stocks. Do your homework and look for small companies with high rates of growth and low amounts of debt. The goal is to identify small companies that can grow to become the next Amazon, Walmart, Facebook, or Apple. Small cap investing is about identifying the next big thing. Small cap stocks can make your money grow 5x, 10x, 20x, or 100x your original investment. If stock picking is not your cup of tea, pick up a small cap or mid cap index mutual fund. These funds will invest in much riskier companies that can generate returns in the 20 to 30% range, far surpassing the safety of a balanced fund. Small cap stocks outperform the market and offer greater rates of return during economic booms. The best time to start small cap shopping, however, is during recessionary periods. You can buy great growth companies at a tremendous discount. You can also add riskier stocks from the biopharmaceutical and technological sectors to supercharge your returns. Your portfolio will benefit by allocating at least 10 to 20% to small cap companies that have the capability of taking your thousands to the $1 million level. How to become a millionaire. Open your own investment brokerage account outside of your retirement account. Retirement accounts are a great deal for those looking to get rich by 60. But if you are seeking to get rich before nearing 60, you need to open a brokerage account. Retirement plans charge you a penalty if you want to start taking distributions from your earnings before 59.5. That's why you need to open up an investment account with a discount broker. TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Fidelity, Merrill Edge, JP Morgan, and Charles Schwab are examples of discount brokers that enable you to engage in self-directed investing. You can also use Cash App, Robinhood, Acorn, or Ally. You can open an account with just $1 and buy equities, mutual funds, and bonds for no fees. App-based investing has made it affordable for anyone to invest with just a few dollars. Brokerage accounts offer greater liquidity than retirement accounts. You can cash out and withdraw your earnings on any investment that you have held for a year or longer, knowing that the maximum tax rate on your capital gains are much lower than income tax rates. Remember to keep it simple when beginning to build your own portfolio by placing index funds, balanced funds, and large cap stocks in your brokerage account. These investments are the anchors of your investment portfolio, providing you with stable growth for the long run, helping you to reach millionaire status even sooner. How to become a millionaire. Add fixed income investments for extra income. Investment income is typically generated in the form of either interest or dividends. Interest is the return you earn on money lent to a company. Interest is money that is promised to you as a creditor of a company and contractually must be paid out to you. You earn interest on bonds, certificates of deposit, and savings accounts. Institutions are obligated to pay interest income. Dividends are a distribution of the profits paid out by a company to shareholders of its stock. Dividends are paid to common stock and preferred stock shareholders. Stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds distribute dividends to shareholders. Since dividends are distributed from profits, dividends are not required to be paid out by a company. Investors have no legal claim to receive dividends. Fixed income investments provide you with a consistent income stream that you can use to fund further investment endeavors and help get you closer to an early retirement. Fixed income investments can come in the form of bonds, real estate investment trusts, dividend stocks, and annuities. Real estate investment trusts are closed-end investment companies that own real estate assets like buildings, land, and commercial properties. REITs are required to distribute 90% of their earnings back to investors in the form of dividends. REITs can be purchased through online apps and brokers. Annuities are insurance products, which pay out a fixed income stream over the life of the annuity. Annuities are purchased from insurance companies. Dividend stocks are companies that distribute a share of the earnings back to investors in the form of a cash payment. A good dividend stock pays a yield of 3% or more. The most popular type of fixed income investment is a bond. As interest rates continue to rise, bonds are becoming a more attractive investment opportunity. Corporate bonds are a great way of getting a dependable income stream. Companies sell bonds to the public in order to fund expansion and operations. Corporate bonds typically have terms of 5, 10, 20, or 30 years. Corporate bonds pay interest on a semi-annual basis and return the original principal investment back to the investor at the maturity date. Corporate bonds are sold in $1,000 denominations and can be purchased from a broker. You can also purchase a bond fund, which contains a diverse mixture of bonds bundled together for you. Stick with bonds with AAA ratings as they provide a higher degree of safety. Bonds with ratings beneath the A levels are known as junk bonds because they are more speculative investments which carry a much greater risk of default. If you want to become a millionaire by investing, then you need to add some investment income to your investment portfolio. Dividends are the passive investor's dream, as investors reap the benefit of companies returning cash back to investors. You are never too young or too old to own fixed income investments.
How to become a millionaire. 7. Start generating passive income. Get rich by producing income outside of your job. Your 9-to-5 job will not make you rich. You need multiple streams of income. Your job produces active income. This is income that you are working for, continually investing time and energy for. The paycheck that you receive based on being actively involved in an endeavor is called active income. Active income comes from and has limits because it requires your presence and activity. Passive income comes from businesses that you are not actively involved in on a day-to-day basis. Rental income and limited partnerships are examples of passive income. Also, making money online through YouTube, blogging, selling products, marketing, or influencing. You invest time and energy in the beginning to receive checks for years to come in the future. Passive income produces a perpetual residual income stream.
How to become a millionaire in 10 steps. Number 8. Lower your debt levels. Maximizing your income is only one part of the wealth-building equation. The second part is to keep your debts to a manageable level. It is best to keep your total debts to less than 50% of your total income. Most lenders require a debt-to-income rate of 36 to 43% for a home loan, but most borrowers rapidly soar past this level after closing on a home. This doesn't include credit card debts and car loans. Too many people live with debt levels equivalent to their income level. They're barely able to keep their finances afloat, living a paycheck-to-paycheck existence. Your total debts should never exceed more than 50% of your income. This leaves enough money to invest and build the savings cushion. The 50% level means that if you make $5,000 per month, then your total debts cannot exceed $2,500 per month. If your debt level is greater than this, your focus must become paying down your debts. The best way to pay off your debts is to take the debt with the highest interest rate and double up on the minimum payment until it is paid off. After you have paid this debt off, move to the next highest interest rate and pay it off. The lower that your debt level decreases, the higher that your net worth increases. This will allow you the financial freedom to retire quicker.
How to become a millionaire. 9. Develop a financial plan. No one lucks up into becoming a millionaire. Becoming a millionaire requires intentional planning. You need a detailed financial plan to hit 7 figures. Your financial plan should list all of your financial goals and objectives, and should tell you exactly how much money you need to save in order to reach your goal of becoming a millionaire. This way you can gauge if you are on track. If you need help constructing a plan, hire a fee-only financial advisor. You paid a small one-time fee for the construction of a financial plan with target dates, amounts, goals, and suggestions. You can also construct your own financial plan using financial websites and investment calculators. Be realistic about your financial goals and make sure that you adjust the plan as your income increases. Track and measure your plan progress consistently.
How to become a millionaire. Fund your kids' 529 plan. It is not always your own debt that is keeping you from being rich. Sometimes it is the debts of others that keep you from reaching your financial goals. A lot of parents find themselves working longer than they ever planned because they are stuck paying off their kids' college education. The rising price of a college education has caused student loan debt to balloon. Direct Plus loans, also known as Parent Plus loans, are non-transferable and keep parents loaded with debt 20 years after their child's education. The best way to become wealthy is avoiding taking on unnecessary debt in the first place. The best time to start saving for your kids' college education is right now. A 529 plan is a tax advantage plan that will pay for your kids' college education, keeping both you and your child from taking out costly student loans. 529 plan withdrawals are free from income taxes as long as the money is used to pay for college expenses. The money can be used for tuition, books, housing costs, meals, and more. Open up a 529 plan now and start socking money away for your child's schooling. Then on your kid's 18th birthday, you won't find yourself going into debt for a junior's education. Instead, you will be glad you planned in advance when you were sitting on a beach in Maui, sipping a pina colada and enjoying your early retirement.